Implementing Customer Information Manager (CIM) in AuthorizeNet is a secure and efficient way to store and manage customer payment information. To get started, you need to have an AuthorizeNet account and be familiar with the basics of the platform. First, you need to enable CIM in your AuthorizeNet account. This can be done by logging into your account and navigating to the Settings section. Once CIM is enabled, you can begin creating customer profiles. A customer profile is a container that stores a customer's payment and shipping information. To create a customer profile, you need to send a request to the AuthorizeNet API with the customer's information. This includes their name, email address, and payment details. You can also store shipping addresses and other relevant information. Once a customer profile is created, you can use it to process transactions. This is done by sending a request to the AuthorizeNet API with the customer profile ID and the amount of the transaction. The payment information is then retrieved from the customer profile and used to process the transaction. One of the key benefits of using CIM is that it allows you to store sensitive payment information securely. This reduces the scope of your PCI compliance obligations and makes it easier to manage customer payments. To ensure security when implementing CIM, it is essential to follow best practices. This includes using secure protocols such as HTTPS to encrypt data in transit. You should also use a secure tokenization system to protect sensitive payment information. In addition to security considerations, there are also several practical benefits to using CIM. For example, it allows you to offer customers a convenient and secure way to store their payment information. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. In terms of implementation, there are several key concepts to keep in mind. These include the importance of tokenization and the need to use secure protocols to encrypt data. You should also ensure that your implementation is compliant with relevant regulations such as PCI DSS. To get the most out of CIM, it is essential to follow best practices and ensure that your implementation is secure and efficient. This includes using a secure tokenization system and following relevant regulations. By doing so, you can provide customers with a convenient and secure way to store their payment information and improve your overall payment processing experience. In conclusion, implementing CIM in AuthorizeNet is a straightforward process that can provide several benefits for your business. By following the steps outlined in this guide and adhering to best practices, you can ensure a secure and efficient implementation that meets your needs and provides a convenient experience for your customers.